to One Crafty Ginger, I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance finds, thrift store flips, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today's video is part of a collaboration with Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs that she does at the last Tuesday of every month called Try It Tuesday, where we try out craft projects that we have seen on Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube. And then of course we give credit where credit is due. So you will find the list of everybody that I do projects from today in my description box below. I will mention their channel and Instagram handle names with each project that I do, so you know who's who with what I'm working on. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, this project comes to us courtesy of Crafts by Caitlin. She's one of my other favorite crafting channels other than Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs, of course. So for this project, you'll need one of these little heart, what are they calling them? Just heart decor stands. One of these glass candle holders. Some Pom Pom Trim. And a glue gun. So I'm going to attempt to take off this sticker, which might take a hot minute, so we'll be right back. After these messages, we'll be right back. Oh my goodness, guys, that took a hot minute to get that stupid tag off, so my apologies. All right, so here we go. So I'm going to take my stand and my glue gun in my shaky hands, and I'm going to attempt to put glue on the edge of this decor stand all the way around. Let's hope I can do it with my shaky hands. I'm saying, guys, if I can do this, you can do this. Sounds like I'm trying to do Morse code. With my super shaky hands. Oh no, there's a hair in there. I'm a perfectionist. Okay, then we're going to turn this over. Put it on the glass. So then you have this super cute stand. But wait, it's gonna get even cuter because we're gonna add some Pom Pom trim. So I'm just gonna kind of do a rough go around here. So I cut it off so I don't have to hold this whole thing. And then here we go back with Mercedes and her shaky hands, guys. We're gonna glue Pom Pom trim on here. Gluing the Pom Pom trim on. Yay! We did it. Let's do some more. All right. So we're just going around with our glue and our Pom Pom trim. And there you have it, a cute little tray with Pom Pom trim. Now learn from Mercedes' mistakes. Here is the front of the tray, and I started my Pom Pom trim in the front. Do yourself a favor and start your Pom Pom trim in the back, so that way you don't have a seam in the front of your stand like I do. But that's okay, it's still cute, and I think it works out anyway. This project is brought to you courtesy of Kristen K. I will link her YouTube channel down below. So for this, you'll need one of these chalkboard sign decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. Some of these heart ornaments Or if you can't find those, you can use the DIY stickers. Or if you want, you can even use the felt stickers. And you will need a glue gun or glue of your choice. So I'm going to cut this sign off here. And then empty out my ornaments. I'm going to be using these larger ones. I'm going to be using, maybe the smaller ones. Yeah, we're going to be using the smaller ones. So we're going to be using the smaller ones. And then you're just going to want to kind of play around with your placement as to where you want your hearts to go. So I'm just going to kind of place it out so I have an idea of what I'm doing. Oops, oh, I want to do this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Because as I mentioned, that one designer who always said things happen in odd numbers. So I'm going to try to place these out. And this also looks actually exactly like the one that Kristen made. But hey, as they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm going to place these out. So this is probably going to be your most time-consuming part of the entire project. And look, just enough. Whoops, sorry guys, didn't mean to mess you up there. Try to get you in focus. So I got my heart placements, and now we are just going to glue them down. So put some glue on the back. And glue them down. So after placing them, gluing them down will be the next most time-consuming part of this entire project. But overall, super easy that anybody can do, no matter your crafting abilities. I like to keep things simple, so everybody, as my motto, anyone can craft. So I'm kind of doing this off to the side here for my camera. And we're just going to keep gluing these down. All right, there it is, completely finished. All easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And what I did is I just did my hearts and I lined them up underneath the row that was at the top to give me the spacing that I wanted, so it was even. Okay, so this project is from Instagram, an account called Home by Flare on 6. I will put the tag to that Instagram channel in my description box below. But for this project, you'll need a pillar candle. Hold on, let me adjust this a little bit. There we go. So either a pillar candle, or if you want to upcycle, you can use a glass jar. You'll need heart doilies and either a little charm of your choice. They have these at Dollar Tree. They have the laser cut hearts or the laser cut keys. And you'll need some twine, glue stick, and scissors. So this one, guys, is so easy. You're not even gonna believe how easy this is. So let me get my heart doily out here. Are you guys staying warm? It was like -12 this morning in Utah because of the wind chill. And very, very cold. So if you saw my shorts post, the girls were wearing their puffer jackets so they could stay warm. So I'm going to take my doily and my glue stick, and I'm going to cover the doily with glue. I think I have two here again, like I did, yep, like I did last time, because they stick together like on the grease. We go together like Rama Lama Lama, ga-ding 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 ga-dong. I haven't watched that movie in forever. I love Grease. Do you guys love musicals? Tell me, comment down below, what's your favorite musical? I love all sorts of musicals. I love watching them all. I love Grease. What else do I love watching? I don't know. There's just, yeah, all sorts of musicals. There are so many good ones. So then I'm going to take my pillar candle here, and I'm going to put my doily on here. Kind of smooth it out as best you can. I went a little overzealous with the glue. Don't be like me. Don't get heavy-handed with the glue, because oh, you see right there, I tore the doily. Oh no! Oh no! That's okay. And then I'm going to take my twine here. I'm going to wrap it around a couple of times. Cut it. Put a knot in here. And then I'm going to take one of these keys, laser cut keys. So it's like the key to my heart. How cute is that? Can you stand it? It's the key to my heart. And you can tie a bow if you want. Let's see if I can do it. I didn't really leave myself a lot of extra twine there, but I still managed to do it. So there you go, a cute twine heart candle. How adorable is that? And then, like I said, you could also do it on a glass jar if you want to upcycle. But that is it. Super easy, super quick. This project I saw on Instagram from an account called Notion What's All This Commotion. I'll put their tag in the description box below. So for this project, you'll need a set of the little clay pots from the Dollar Tree, some floral foam, some moss. This is the Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree. A set of the wooden sticks with the little hearts on them. Some paint and a paintbrush. Scissors. And my trusty glue gun. So what I did is I painted one of the pots pink. And if you want to know, I use the Cameo Pink from Apple Barrel that I purchased at Walmart. And then I'm going to take some floral foam to cut to fit on the inside. And I'm using one of these icing scrapers from the Dollar Tree. They're really convenient because look, check this out. Like butter. To cut floral foam. So I think that's going to work. So I'm going to put some glue on the bottom of this floral foam. And glue that right in there. And then I'm going to take some of the Spanish moss. And we're getting messy, guys. So I'm going to put some glue in there too because I want the Spanish moss to stay. to throw some glue kind of all around in my pot here. Hopefully we'll get the Spanish moss to stay in here. And hopefully I won't burn my fingers, but I got my trusty spatula from the Dollar Tree that I got in the makeup department. So I'm just going to kind of put some of this Spanish moss in here. Pull out some of the extra. And if you're a little messy, that's okay. Like I said, I should probably change my channel name to the Messy Crafter, because I'm always messy. Just a mess. So I'm gonna kind of tuck that in there a little bit to get my moss in there. And if you want, you can trim it with some scissors, give it a little bit of a haircut. If you want to trim it up a little bit. Then I have my moss, and then I have my part picks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in various sizes because I want dimension. So that's where the scissors also come in. And it's just to cut them down to different sizes. So I can kind of get, as I mentioned, just a different look here. And then we're just gonna stick those in, kind of see where we end up. Sorry, it would help if I did this where you guys can see it. Hopefully I was in frame, sorry. So as I mentioned, I'm just gonna put these guys in here like so. Give a little bit of a trim there. So I have my little flower pot, and if you want to add more, you can, but look at how cute that is, guys. So adorable. Sorry guys, this cute little pot actually came from the Crafty Quinn. I will link her YouTube channel in the description box below, and she is the inspiration for this cute little heart flower pot that I just made. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's projects. Please comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. It's completely free and it helps this girl out. Also, if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Come join my family. We have a lot of fun here. As you can see, I keep it real, I keep it live, so nobody's perfect, and that's okay. I appreciate you guys being here, and I appreciate you guys spending time with me and putting up with me and my imperfections. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful week, and until next time, goodbye.